This is Travel Jungsi's Nagsasa Tour in 60 seconds and it starts right now.
We're here at
Meet up
Jollibee,
at pickup
waiting for the
point.
van. Where are we going?
Kulitan and madalas tulog sa van. Pagdating sa market, gawa muna ng TikTok for reels at Ate Liway's Place. Yan na, syempre boat ride na, going to Nagsasa. Ito na, arrival at Nagsasa Cove. Syempre swimming na. Food trip! Parapol ni Jungsi. And gawa ng TikTok Reels Lake. At akit sa view deck for some photo ops. Syempre sunset viewing na pagpa-sunset. At bonfire wal. Day 2, island hopping, going to Capones Island for the photo ops. Uwian na, finish na. And that, my friend, is our tour. Alam nyo na gagawin nyo, PMS na key.
Tara sa Nagsasa! Bug na!
Paano ako?